We have three sections of test track. We've got segment A, segment B, and segment C. And they tell me that the speed is 140 kilometers per hour for A, and it's 70 kilometers per hour for C. We're trying to find the length of A and C, and they tell me the length of segment C is 3 times the length of segment A. So let A equal length of segment A, and then C will equal 3A because it's 3 times A. That's the length of segment C. They also tell me it's 42 minutes to travel A and C. And I think that's everything that's given. All right, so our units are hours, and this is minutes. So let's change 42 minutes to be have a unit of hours, and so that would be 42 over 60. If you reduce that down, you get 7/10. So that's a total time in hours, 7/10 of an hour. And let's see here. I know that what would be the time for segment A? Well, we know that distance equals rate times time. So D over R would be how you'd find the time. So what would be the time for segment A? See, I want to figure out segment A's time plus segment C's time, and that will be equal to 7/10, the total time. So D over R, distance or length of A is A, over R, the rate is given as 140, plus what's the length of C? It's 3A, and what's the rate is 70. So time plus time equals total time, so that equals 7/10. All of our units are in hours. So let's solve this for A. Let's multiply everything on both sides by 140. And that gives me A plus 6A equals 98. 7A equals 98. A equals 14. So that is the length of segment A. And then 3 times segment C is 3A. So 3 times 14 is 42. That's the length of segment C. So there are your two answers.